Hello everybody, welcome. This is our Shumatt live streaming. I'm Caitlin, and our company specializes in commercial diesel parts. Today I will show you our hot sealing valve assembly. Let's take a look. And firstly is the VCINT roast bag, and here with our Shumatt brand. And the product code is F00VC01359. For this kind of the logo, label, packages, etc., we can support a customized service. And now I will show you the inside. Inside packages can be better prevent some hurt during the translation, and one layers of the oil paper to wrap it up. Each product we supply 6 months warranty time. For this valve assembly, if you receive the packages, if you're not satisfied with the quality, it's okay, return or exchange. And for this valve assembly, and its supply cable for inject number is 04451102943, etc. And for this one, it's the 110 series, China made brand new. That's the valve cap. There is coating figures here, and this is the valve rods. Each product, it owns the high quality. If you want to clean this kind of valve assembly, it's better to clean it with the oil, don't clean it with the water, and make sure the valve cap and the valve rod in the right position and can be moved smoothly. So much for this one. And at last, if you want to know more, remember, feel free to contact us. So much for today. Let's see you next time. Have a good day. Bye.